In this lesson, we will explore the ethical and legal aspects of inventory control, a critical topic that ensures businesses operate responsibly, transparently, and in compliance with laws and industry regulations. While inventory control focuses on efficiency and profitability, it must also uphold ethical standards and legal obligations that protect customers, employees, and the broader market. Ethical inventory management begins with honesty and integrity in all record keeping and reporting. Manipulating inventory data to misrepresent financial results, hide losses, or inflate performance is unethical and often illegal. Transparent reporting ensures that stakeholders, including management, investors, and regulators, have an accurate view of a company's financial health. Another important ethical consideration is fair dealing with suppliers and customers. Companies should avoid practices such as over-ordering to pressure suppliers, hoarding scarce materials to manipulate markets, or delaying payments unfairly. Ethical supplier relationships are built on trust, fairness, and long-term collaboration. Legal compliance plays a major role in inventory control. Businesses must adhere to accounting standards such as Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP, or International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, which govern how inventory is valued, recorded, and reported. Failure to comply can result in penalties, audits, or loss of investor confidence. In industries such as pharmaceuticals, food, and chemicals, regulatory compliance extends to storage, handling, and traceability requirements. For example, perishable goods must be stored under specific conditions to meet safety standards, while hazardous materials require proper labeling and documentation. Non-compliance can lead to severe consequences, including product recalls, fines, and reputational damage. Anti-fraud measures are another essential component. Inventory theft, falsified documentation, and unauthorized write-offs are common risks that can harm both financial performance and trust. Implementing strict internal controls such as segregation of duties, access restrictions, and regular audits helps prevent and detect unethical behavior. Environmental laws also affect inventory practices. Regulations governing waste disposal, emissions, and sustainable sourcing ensure that companies minimize their environmental impact. Proper disposal of expired or defective products, especially in industries like healthcare or electronics, is both an ethical and legal responsibility. Labor practices within inventory management must also be ethical. This includes ensuring safe working conditions in warehouses, avoiding exploitative labor in the supply chain, and complying with wage and hour laws. Ethical businesses prioritize employee welfare alongside productivity. Intellectual property protection is another legal concern. Companies must respect copyrights, trademarks, and patents when sourcing or manufacturing goods. Handling counterfeit or illegally sourced materials can lead to legal liabilities and damage a company's reputation. Data privacy and cybersecurity are emerging ethical and legal priorities. With the increasing use of digital inventory systems, businesses must protect sensitive supplier and customer data from breaches or misuse. Compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR ensures that personal and business data are handled responsibly. Ethical inventory management also involves promoting sustainability and social responsibility. Choosing environmentally friendly materials, reducing waste, and supporting fair trade practices reflect a company's commitment to doing business ethically. Customers increasingly prefer brands that demonstrate integrity and responsibility in their operations. In summary, the ethical and legal aspects of inventory control ensure that efficiency and profitability never come at the expense of integrity, safety, or compliance. By adhering to laws, maintaining transparency, and fostering ethical values throughout the supply chain, organizations build trust, protect their reputation, and contribute to a fair and sustainable business environment.